Guys, you know it is your boy, The Truth, and today we are here and I am so excited because I finally got my Fade grips. They came in the mail yesterday, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. I ended up getting the Gamer Pack Volume 1, which ended up being, I think it was like $30. So, here we got, I opened it already, so it's not really, it's an unboxing that I just like opened already, I guess. So first you got your Fade grips right there. Sticker, it ended up getting ripped off sadly. But when you pull it out, sorry about my voice, guys. I'm losing my voice. So I got these awesome stickers, Fade grip stickers with their logo on it. Pretty cool. And then I got a controller case, like a grip controller thing that goes. It's blue and green. I'm excited I got green since that's my channel colors. But I got blue and green. The case is not like, it's on my other PS4 remote, and I currently don't have that here. So it's on my other PS4 remote, but I will show you guys in the streams if you want to come by. You'll see them there. But now, to get to the grips. So, with this, I believe you get 5 pairs of, like, the normal grips, and then 3 pairs of the Fade grips with their logo, this logo on the grip, and then 3 extenders, or 2 extenders, I'll check here. Oh, yeah, I got another sticker here, just some paper, whatever. So, this is what like the Fade grip one looks like. The 3 pairs that I got comes in red. So I'll just dump them all out. Yeah, so you get a lot of grips, and like I'll let you know, I like their designs. So you got your mixed color. Like it's a white and red. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but it's white and red. So there's our 2 pair, and then here the candy, the green and pink. I honestly think they look really cool. So yeah, here's the Fade grip red pair, also really cool. And then these yellow, I'm not I'm a fan of yellow, but like these yellows, like I think are really cool. And then then here is the blue Fade grips. I like these too. Honestly, like all of them with the F on it. Then here are the 2 pairs of extenders. Yeah, these, they got like you can see them a little bit right there with the grippy like bubble things or whatever, and that's also on the longer extender. So as you can see, that one's a little higher than the other one. So like I usually play with my left thumbstick higher and the other one lower, which this actually really helps. I'll probably put like this on with like, maybe one of these, like a different pair. So and then here's just so these are like, what would that be called? Well, ones that go out, and then these would be concave where they go in. Like you see where it goes in right there, that goes down instead of up like the other ones. And the same thing, one high, one low. And then these are like, this is like the colors of my grip that I got, full controller grip. So these will go well together. And then these, I'm really excited for these. Like these, the colors honestly, like these aren't, like they're pretty plain. But what I'm going to show you next is actually like really cool. And I'm excited to show you. So you see those here? And I'll be right back. Guys, as you see there, these actually glow up in the dark. These controller grips glow up in the dark. Kind of hard to see on the camera since of the angle that I'm at, but these glow in the dark. I am so excited for that, and I'm sad that I don't have my controller grip here because I really wanted to show you. But if I can find a picture, I'll probably put it up on the screen like right now. But I don't know. So you got your regular DualShock 4 PS4 controller, and what I'm probably going to be rocking in my streams is the the one that goes out with the bubbles on it. I'm gonna put that on the left one. Like, these are really easy to go on. Like, these, you just slide them on like a regular grip. I didn't say that, it won't go on. Okay, so, you know, you got that on right there. There. Okay, so you got that. And I think one neat thing is these grips, all of these grips that I got, all of these grips, they can go on any controller that you need. So an Xbox controller, PS4 controller, any controller. So that's also one thing that I think is pretty cool. And then, since, you know, the controller grip is these colors, I'm probably going to be putting this on here. You know, if you guys, you know, you look out, I'm going to be putting new ones on almost every stream. I'm just going to try and show them off every stream. Because, honestly, I love the feel of these. I just played, like, for this, I played one game of World War II. I'm going to be getting back in that. I'll let you know in a different, separate video. Like, I'm in the Fortnite, World War II, Overwatch. Those are my 3 main games right now. For shooters, obviously. And these are really going to help. This one, obviously, for, like, you know, like, moving really fast. And this one just for, like, a stable one. And, yeah. So, guys, let me know what your favorite grip is in the comments. Is it this, the fade grip, the other fade grip colors, the glow-in-the-dark ones, and the candy ones here, you know, the other kind of reddish, whitish, or the ones that match, oh, my bad, or the ones that match, the controller here, or what the controller grip would be. Yeah, it'll make more sense than next, in like a later video, or a later stream, but, sorry, excuse me, but I honestly, I don't even know, like, I just love all these grips here. So you got, yeah, I think you get, okay, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 here, and then 9. So you get 10 grips. Where, like, I don't mean to compare them to, like, Control Freak, but, like, in the past I've used Control Freak. Like, I don't have a problem with their products, great products, but I, like, lost them. But, like, for Control Freak, you're paying $10 for two grips, two of these in a sense, for $10. Where I just paid $30 for stickers, a controller case, and 10 grips. And I think on the website the grips are they $2.50 or $2? So if you do that, you get, let's just figure $20, and then your controller grip I think is $8, and stickers are $1 a piece. So like, you're getting like a $35 value, let's just say, for $30, which I think is great. And also, I use one of my Red Devil Gaming members code, so I got 20% off, which is great. So 20% off of 30, which is $7, and then the shipping is $7. So I pretty much got shipping for free. And if you guys want a 20% off code for fade grips, use code TRUTH, that's TRUUTH, all capitalized. Free.